Hey guys, welcome back. This is our new augmented Solyndra setup. So we used to have 8 panels, now we have 16. And so on the left-hand side here, they comprise of approximately 2,400 watts of input. Over here we have the traditional flat panel. They're 400 watts a piece, 2,400 on this side. So in total we should have an input of approximately 4,800 watts theoretical max. But today, as I was looking at the numbers, I noticed that the additional 8 panels that we put on didn't seem to be having an effect. And come to find out, it's after work. I come up here to check, and I didn't connect these panels, so that's why they weren't working. So yeah, lessons learned. So the lesson that'll be learned here is not to do this at night. So, we were working into the night yesterday and I connected half the panels. So that's only half of them were working. With that said, I'm gonna hook these up and hopefully tomorrow we'll get better results as far as the input is concerned. All right.